I think from most of our shows we go to, it's not having the one-on-one interaction with the actual OEMs that we service. So it gives us a more in-depth knowledge of what they're looking for in a partner. I thought it was just good to get to know someone on a personal level and get to understand how they relate to their business and what their challenges are. It's like more focused. It's not in a traditional trade show setting where you can be overwhelmed with the activities in a break. This is a dedicated session and dedicated to understanding, and you're prepared going into what they're looking for, and so you had an opportunity to kind of zero in on how your solutions might be able to reach to them. I feel in general they did. One individual in particular reviewed our website in advance, knew what kind of products they had, took notes, took pictures of products, and was really eager to get back to his team to see if there was a fit, because based upon their clinical market feedback of what they were looking for. So I was really impressed with that level of preparation. Then on the other side, where maybe they're not directly involved with us but can get us connected to who we might need to speak with, and they were eager to be able to do that as well.